Never going to go away. So you might as well get used to it. What are you doing? Smidge. What's that? Come on, where you going? That's a tree. That's a tree. That's a tree's got to have to come down pretty soon.
Hi, Jet. Hi, Jet. Smidge. Smidge. Hi, Smidge. Come on, Smidge. Smidgers. Hi, DJ. Come on, Smidge.
Smidget.
Smidget.
Give me a Smidge.
She says, I'm not moving.
I know it.
This is Carrie out here in the great outdoors.
Hi, Jen. It's okay.
Come on, Smidge.
Smidge.
She thinks she's a hound dog. She's got a coon treed. Come on, Smidge.
No way. Come here, Smidge. Come on. Come on, Smidge. Smidget. Smidget. Come on, Smidget. Smidget. Everybody else seems to get around.
I guess might have to go pick her up.
Guess so. Come here, Smidge. Come on. Come on. Come on. You gotta move. You just can't. Don't move. Come on. Come on. There you go. That's a big girl. Come on, Smidge. Look at your brothers, man. They're running around. Are you shy? There you go. Move around. Hi, Jet. Yeah. Come on, Smidge. Come on, baby. Come on, Smidge. Come on, babies. That's it. There you go. That's the way to get them moving. Come on. It's just like really